Johnny Jans here, and today is a big day because it's a little bit warmer in Florida, but not quite enough. So that means it's time for some meandering around Disney's Blizzard Beach. And in case you didn't know, Disney's Blizzard Beach is one of 2 Disney water parks. Now imagine that there was a giant snowstorm that hit Florida and it piled up lots of ice and snow, and then the next day under the hot sun, all the snow melted away, making tons of slides and ice trails and lots of fun here at Blizzard Beach. So hang up your skis and grab your sunscreen, because it's gonna be a fun day. Let's go. And here at Blizzard Beach today, it's leg day. Because when you come to Blizzard Beach, you know your legs are always gonna get a workout climbing to the top of the mountain. Or if climbing isn't your thing, perhaps you can take a ride on the ski lift. It'll take you all the way to the top where Summit Plummet is. And that used to be one of the tallest water slides in the world. But I'm starting my day here at Runoff Rapids. Now here at Runoff Rapids, you start right here and get your tube, and then you meander all the way to the top of the mountain, and then you go on the slides of your choice and go all the way down and around and spin till you finally splash out right in this area. They added bumps towards the curves at the end of the slide, so you go bump, bump, bump. It makes it a little more fun. It's like Runoff Rapids. Amazing. Let's head down to the purple slope. And there it is. Looks like an intense one. Little Jans, are you ready for this epic slide?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I like it.
Here we go. And that was a very fun slide I got to take you on. Doesn't get better than that, folks. Over here by Cross Country Creek, it looks like Star Wars has been influencing a little bit of Blizzard Beach, because what's this? Oh, it's the Death Star, painted yellow. So now it's time for some true meandering around, and when I'm here at Blizzard Beach, there's no better way to meander around a lazy river. Well, it wouldn't be Blizzard Beach if the water wasn't very blizzard-like, and it sure is. A little cold, but it's okay. We're gonna do it. I'm excited. I got myself a tube, and now I'm gonna ever so gracefully get in this tube right now. Good luck. Whew, it's cold. Haha, graceful. I did it. That was awesome right there. That was a one-handed flip inside the tube. And now, my lazy cruise is about to begin. I'm gonna sit back, relax, and enjoy. Definitely wasn't the most laziest trip around the river. And what would normally be somebody gone fishing down here at Blizzard Beach, it's time they've gone skiing. Okay, I have exited the river lazily, and now it's time to walk over to the wave pool. Not as intense as Typhoon Lagoon, but still fun. It's baby Jans chilling out just on the edge of the wave pool. What's up, baby Jans? Taking on the waves all by himself. Look at you go, buddy. He's a champ. Splash, splash. Little Jans and I, we're in the wave pool now, and the waves, they're hitting hard. It's intense out here. A little scary. We're having fun. Actually, we're only about 2 feet deep. Not even. We're just on the edge, but it is fun. Oh man, I'll tell you, this is one wild ride here on the tube. Woo! Well, there it is. A fun day at Disney's Blizzard Beach. Had a fun time and then lazily relaxed in the lazy river. Till next time, this is JohnnyJans. I'll catch you out there. Meandering around. Wow, that was amazing. You can have your big slides, but that was awesome actually.